Here's the top reasons portable generators won't start. Number one, a dead battery. You can charge it, change it, or go to plan B with a recoil pull start. If it turns over but won't fire, it may not be getting fuel. Make sure you have fuel in the unit, then check the fuel shut-off valve. Make sure it's open. Most of these units also have a low oil sensor, which will either stop it or not allow it to start. If the oil level's low, check that oil level. Then make sure the choke's in the right position. Often they're unmarked, like on this one. Make sure you know where it is and what the positions are. Could also be things like a dirty spark plug or plugged air cleaner. Now finally, bad gas can do it too. If the gas has been in there for a year and a half, 2 years or more, it can go skunky and clog the carburetor. Just open the cap, you'll smell it if it's bad. Draining it, cleaning it out, maybe some carb cleaner will get you going.